Close your eyes, put your hands on your heart, take a long deep breath in and let go. Allow your energetic awareness to expand and allow yourself to feel the presence of your angels, your spirit guides. Some of you even have your power animals with you today, ready to give you the power. Thank them for being here. Some of you can feel the intensity already showing up as your body is ready to release the cellular memory of any and all the past thoughts, feelings, emotions, energy of past memories that may be there, that is blocking you from flying in your life, that is stopping you from receiving the miracles and abundance. Allow yourself to expand even more. Embrace the energy of the universe. Allow yourself to connect with the Mother Earth and receive the energy of the earth. And now, imagine yourself untying those ropes that are tied to your feet of all the past incidences, the grudges you had been holding on to. Oh, the pain, the sadness, everywhere in this life or any other lifetime you ever said, uske saath bhi aisa ho. This should happen to him or her too. Everywhere in this life or any other lifetime you said, they should pay for this too. Every time you ever said, I will never forgive this person. I will never forget this happened to me. I will never leave him or her or you. I will do the same to this person. I will make this person realize, or they will realize. All of that, let it all just release, not just from your feet, from your entire body. Allow the shaft of white light come from the universe all the way to the top of your head, to each and every cell of your body, especially your heart. And allow this white light to heal your heart. If there is any heaviness or intensity you feel in your heart right now, it's perfectly okay. It's work in progress. Allow this white light to just release. You may, through your awareness, just enter your heart and see yourself cleaning, cleaning the walls of your heart, cleaning the arteries and veins. So much gathered there. It is these energies that create whatever they create in the future. Let's clean them all up right now at this level. Everywhere in this life or any other lifetime, anything happened to you that you took to your heart, let it all release now. And now, as the clearing happens, I can see some green light begin to emerge and ignite in your heart. It's like a watermelon tourmaline pink from inside, and at the same point of time, bright green light ignited and illuminating. And now, as this green light shines brighter and brighter, see it expanding to each and every cell of your body, especially your arms, and everywhere in this life or any other lifetime you wanted to fight and you did not. Allow your body to release all the energy blockages that are there in your arms, creating whatever it is creating. Let it all release. Just dissipating the moment the green light touches it. And allow it to move. Allow the green light to move to your lungs, helping you to live better, to breathe better. Allow it to move to your stomach, helping you to digest every incident in your life and all the food you have. Allow it to move to your intestines. Oh, everything that you have been storing in your intestines, everywhere you have created a separation between your intestines and yourself, your gut. It is a very powerful source of intuition. And yet, when your gut gives you intuition, you ignore it. So you create blockages in your gut. Allow all of that to just release. To your genitals. Every time you've ever judged your sexuality, every time you hated being a woman or a man, you created energy blockages in your genitals. Allow those to release now. To your thighs, allow all the energy blockages to release from your thighs. Everything you're hiding in your thighs, let it all go. To your knees, allow all the stiffness to release and flexibility to show up. Allow this bright green light to move to your calf muscles and your entire calf. And every time in this life or any other lifetime you said you cannot stand this, or you never took a stand for yourself, and all those energies that are stored there and everything they create, just allow all of that to release and dissipate. To your feet, every time you refuse to take your foot forward or put your foot down, just allow all of that to release. And now, once again, allow yourself to expand and connect with the divine energy of the universe and express your gratitude. Dear universe, I am grateful. I am grateful for this body. I am grateful for this life. I am grateful for all those past experiences, even if I did not like them, even if they were uncomfortable at that time, they were contributing to me to be a better person that I am today. And I'm grateful to each and every person who came in my life, those who instantly gave me the joy and happiness, and also those who made me realize how much my joy and happiness is valuable. Because if I would not have given it to them, I would not have seeked for it. I would have not looked for it and searched for true joy and happiness for myself. They were all doing their job that probably I only gave to them in some lifetime. And I free all of them now from any job I gave them. I am so grateful for all the choices I made in the past. I am grateful to the universe for having my back always. Even when I think universe don't have my back, as there is some discomfort I feel, now I know universe has always had my back. And every situation is only contributing for me to realize greater possibilities. And I'm grateful for all the new opportunities and possibilities to show up. I'm grateful for all the relationships in my life. There are many who don't have. I'm grateful for all those I have. And I'm grateful for all my angels who has always had my back, even when I ignored them, even when I did not acknowledge their presence, they never gave up on me. And I'm grateful for them to just show up in my life now and for all the possibilities they are opening up for me. And I'm grateful to my angels for playing this wonderful game of life with me and showing me that life is indeed beautiful. It's a wonderful life. And now, from today, I choose to play the gratitude game. Every day, at least once, I will remind myself of 10 new things, 10 things, 5 obvious and 5 new things that I am grateful for. As I know that yes, I am in gratitude for my body, my family, my house, and so many things that are there in my life. I also know that every day universe is creating new possibilities for me, new pathways for me, new opportunities for me to be grateful for. And now I will have an eye for it. I will not take them for granted. I will acknowledge it as I have discovered that acknowledgement has power. What I will acknowledge will expand in my life. And the more I will be grateful for the wonderful things in my life, the more the universe will bless me with more wonderful things to come. Thank you, universe, for this wonderful life. Life indeed is not that bad. Actually, it's amazing. I have this amazing house that many people are still dreaming for. I have a bed to sleep. I have a comfortable mattress that I sleep on, and this pillow that comforts me. There are so many things that I already have today that perhaps the kings and queens in the past were even deprived of. They didn't have the possibility of ovens and toasters and microwaves and cell phones that I so take for granted today. I'm so grateful for everything in my life. Thank you, universe. Thank you, my angels. Thank you, my body. And I thank myself. I'm grateful for myself, as I know that I am a gift. I am unique and I'm wonderful. Now with that, take your time, and whenever you feel comfortable, you can open your eyes.